Nice big bream. Good big 30s. Yeah, that's a big fish on this one. Big something on this one, that's for sure. Ray, could be a big floody. Monstrous. Get in. That is about a mid 40 centimetre bream. It's huge. It's coming home for dinner, this one as well. Mud ball. Something on this one. Very big. Two big ones. Look at that. Fine little boy. A little bream. Guitar one. Put him back. Bye. Well, that'll do. Two big keeper bream, two more throwbacks, 4 fish. I know they started on the herring. Actually, one of my lines had an entire whole mullet cleaned off it. Quite impressed. Big bream got on herring, and got the other bream on squid. So, and also the garden worms getting bitten pretty hard. So a good afternoon's fishing. Didn't start biting until about the last hour and a half. We've been here about 2.5 hours. Still pretty good. Thanks for watching.